Imagine waking up to revenue that rolled in while you slept. Not because you worked longer hours, but because algorithms did. That's not sci-fi anymore, it's the new operating system of wealth. In today's video, we're breaking down how AI is quietly minting millionaires, not just founders in Silicon Valley, but freelancers, creators, and small team operators who learn to plug AI into the right parts of the value chain. Here's what you'll get in the next few minutes. A map of AI business models that are actually working, a 30, 60, 90-day launcher plan you can copy, and the one moat that scales while you sleep. We'll also cover the biggest mistake that destroys momentum for 90% of AI businesses and how to dodge it. Stay with me, because in about 60 seconds I'll show you the difference between AI as a tool and AI as a business, and why that shift is the line between side income and seven figures. What's the one moat that compounds faster than code or capital? We'll hit that in Section 8. 1. The wealth shift. From labor to leverage. For 100 years, wealth meant owning assets or owning distribution. Now there's a third rail, owning automation. Millionaires today aren't necessarily the best coders, they're the best combiners. They combine models, LLMs, vision, speech, workflows, data in, insight out, and distribution, SEO, socials, sales. The magic isn't the model, it's the machine around the model. Intake, routing, QA, billing, and feedback loops. If you remember only one thing, remember this. AI creates multiples on time. A 1-hour task becomes a 2-minute pipeline. Whoever pipelines the most high-value tasks wins. In Section 3, I'll show how a 2-person team built a pipeline that bills like a 20-person agency. 2. Millionaire path number 1. Micro SaaS for painfully specific niches. Micro SaaS is where tiny teams win. Think one problem, one audience, one click to value. Examples, abstracted. An AI that compresses 40-page legalese into client-safe summaries for immigration lawyers. A tool that drafts compliant Amazon listing bullets from raw specs. Landlord inbox copilot that categorizes tenant emails and schedules contractors. The playbook. Pick a niche where time is money, map the 5 weekly tasks they hate, then automate one task end to end. Charge usage-based or per seat. Add an audit trail and human in the loop for trust. You don't need 100,000 users. You need 500 users paying $40 to $100 per month to cross 6 figures MRR. 3. Millionaire path number 2. AIA, AI automation agencies. Agencies haven't died, and they've mutated. The new model is an AI automation agency that deploys internal copilots, RPA bots, and custom workflows for SMBS. You're not selling hours, you're selling outcomes. Cut support tickets by 40%, reduce lead response from 2 days to 2 minutes, generate 3x qualified demos. The stack, form intake, model routing, retrieval from client docs, action, send, schedule, update CRM, human check for edge cases, price setup plus retainer. Bonus, every client becomes a template you can repurpose for the next. That's compounding SOPs. Standard operating profits. In Section 8, I'll reveal the moat that turns client work into a self-improving product. 4. Millionaire path number 3. Private data, public value. Models are great. Data is gravity. The richest AI businesses quietly collect permissioned, labeled, domain-specific data, contracts with outcomes, parts with defects, conversations with resolutions. With retrieval and fine-tuning, your results jump, churn drops, and pricing power rises. Start small. Every ticket resolved, every doc approved, every outcome labeled. Capture it. Build a feedback interface so users correct the AI. That's free labeling. Over time, your private dataset becomes the moat. Competitors can copy UI and pricing. They can't copy the learned edge of your data. 5. Millionaire path number 4. AI-powered e-commerce and local services. In commerce, margins hide in micro decisions. Titles, images, bundles, upsells, offers. AI makes those decisions daily, not quarterly. Use AI to generate variant creatives, predict winning price bands, and run always-on experimentation. For local services, dental, HVAC, legal, AI can manage 24/7 intake, estimate jobs, and book appointments directly to your calendar. The key? Close the loop. Tie creatives to conversion, not vanity metrics. Let the system learn which audience plus angle plus offer prints the money. In Section 7, I'll show how infrastructure tools make this plug and play, even if you can't code. 6. Millionaire path number 5. AI media machines. Creators are turning into media operators with AI. Think research, outline, draft, voice, edit, publish, analyze as a repeatable pipeline. AI can source, summarize, script, even repurpose long form into shorts, threads, newsletters. Monetization isn't just AdSense, it's premium communities, courses, and sponsorships aligned with a clear niche promise. The difference between noise and money? Editorial constraint. A tight beat, e.g. AI for real estate pros, compounds faster than general tech. Your asset is the catalog plus audience data, what each viewer clicked, skipped, bought. Later, I'll give you a content cadence that grows while you sleep. 7. Millionaire path number 6. Infrastructure and marketplaces. Not everyone should build apps, some build the roads. Tools that handle prompt orchestration, evaluation, observability, safety, billing, multi-model routing, and agent scheduling are exploding. So are marketplaces, prompt packs, workflow templates, domain agents. You monetize via usage, licenses, or revenue share. This is the picks and shovels play. Your customers are the gold miners. If you remove 30% of their friction, you take a slice of every strike. Scale comes from integration depth and developer love. Coming up, the one moat that infrastructure builders and agencies both need. 8. The moat playbook. Distribution, workflow, community, and memory. Here's the moat most people miss. Memory. Not just model memory, business memory. Your system remembers each client's preferences, templates, edge cases, and past fixes. Pair that with distribution, audience, or B2B channels. Workflow depth, solving the whole job, not just a step. And community, users who teach each other. And you get compounding advantage. Moat checklist, distribution, own a list, partner with platforms, embed in daily tools. Workflow, deliver outcomes end to end. Fewer handoffs, fewer refunds. Community, nurture a place where users share prompts, templates, and wins. Memory, build profiles, store decisions, surface seen before fixes. That's the moat that scales while you sleep. Your product gets smarter with every user action. Let's land the plane. AI Millionaire isn't a title, it's a system. Pick a niche, automate one hated task, capture memory, charge for outcomes, build community, then repeat. The future of business belongs to people who own automation, because automation owns the calendar. Here are your 5 moves this week. Pick a lane, write down one niche you can reach tomorrow. List 5 painful tasks. Rank by frequency times. Pain times pay. Prototype one workflow, intake. Model, human review, delivery. Set a pilot price. Let's run this for 2 weeks at X dollars. If we cut cost a time by Y, we roll into monthly. Create memory. Add a simple preferences file and capture corrections. And that one-line pricing script I promised? Use this. If we deliver outcome by date, is X dollars a month fair to lock in today? Then be quiet. The confident pause is part of the product. If you found this valuable, subscribe and drop a comment with your niche idea. I'll pick 3 and sketch a custom 30-day plan in a future video. The future of business isn't waiting. Build the machine.